If you're having burrito problems, I feel bad for you, son. Nobody wants a burrito that when you take a bite, it's only one ingredient. Here's the right way to wrap a burrito. I'm gonna ditch this for now and do a burrito the right way. To make a restaurant-style burrito, you're gonna want a larger tortilla, at least 12 inches. Most important before you get filling and rolling is warm your tortilla. You can do this directly over a burner, in a dry skillet, or even a few seconds in the microwave. This makes the tortilla more pliable and less brittle. No matter what your favorite fillings are, make sure you have them all ready to make assembly easier. Muy importante, you wanna make sure all those ingredients are evenly distributed. For sour cream and guacamole, I like to do a smear of it on so it's all spread out. This is looking like the best burrito already. Let's roll. You wanna make sure you have a decent border of tortilla around your fillings. That way you make sure everything fits. I like to tuck everything back into the half of the burrito. I'm gonna pick up those sides, flatten it out, pick up the back, tuck everything in, tuck in these corners, and roll her up. Boom, baby! I mean, come on, 10s across the board. Perfect uniform shape. Look at these ends. No tears. This is perfecto. Bonus points, toast the bottom of that burrito in a dry skillet. It'll keep it sealed and it'll add extra texture. Nice and toasty. Now that is burrito goals. Everything is evenly distributed. Each bite is gonna be a winner. I got 99 problems, but the burrito ain't one. All right, put down that spatula. Before you grill your next cheese, I have a few things to show you. Here are some tips for a better grilled cheese. Grilled cheese is traditionally made with butter, but you may omit it. All right, I do love butter, but mayo is less greasy. It'll add a flavorful richness to your grilled cheese, and it's bread so easy. You can keep it basic with American or cheddar cheese, or you can get funky with fancy cheese. I have a smoked Gruyere here, anything you want. Grilled cheese is a quick and easy meal, but when it comes to that fire, it should be low and slow. Keeping the temperature low will mean the cheese will melt on the inside before the outside is brown and crispy. Once that pan is warm, I like to toast the inside of the bread, the side without mayo on it. Toasting the inside will give your sandwich more texture and help melt that cheese. Now you can add your cheese. I like mine to hang over a little bit so it'll get brown and crispy in the skillet. Add the other slice, mayo side up. Once one side is golden brown, give it a flip. Oh, gorgeous! Whew. It's hot. That's so good. Enough cheese to put a smile on my face. Fresh, juicy burgers right off the grill. I mean, what could be better? Here's how to build a better burger. See, this is what I'm talking about. All those ingredients just sliding around. We've got pickles falling out. There's a better way. If you want a solid foundation, I recommend toasting those buns. An untoasted bun is just a sponge and gets soggy quick. Layer on a condiment of your choice. This will act as a glue. Now you can stick down the lettuce. A little secret of the pros, salt those tomatoes first to enhance the flavor. The lettuce acts as a nest for our tomato. If you're a bacon fan, give it a cheese blanket, melt that on top to keep everything in place. Lock all that in with the burger patty. Nailed it. When it comes to the pickles, I like to soak up the extra liquid with a paper towel to keep the integrity of the burger. Adding pickles on top of the melty cheese will keep them in place. I'm gonna follow up with some onion. Top that off with any condiment to be glue for the top. This is when I like to add a little bit of love. Just because they're called toppings doesn't mean they all have to go on top. Now that's a beaut.
Oh, that's a very good burger.
Thanks for watching Problem Solve. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these two right here.